Do you know there are three significant roles of every corner of your house? Yes, you are hearing it right. And today I'm gonna tell you how to make a change in your daily life and your home or apartment by following few tricks and attract positive energy in your life and get rid of all those negativity, all those negative energy from your house and from your life. Well, we all think about depression and anxiety. We all talk about it. But do you know what it comes from? It comes from within. But there are a lot of things that causes this depression and anxiety. So I will start with the basics. Like as we all heard about the depression and anxiety and all. So let me tell you today, northeast corner. Well, the northeast corner is the most auspicious direction. It is said to represent the element of air and is associated with Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. The corner is considered to be the source of positive energy and is believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and happiness to the residents of the home. The northeast corner should be kept clean and free of clutter. This is because it is believed that dirt and clutter can block the flow of positive energy. The corner should also be well lit and airy. The northeast corner is the ideal place for a prayer room, meditation area. This is because it is a quiet and peaceful space that is conducive to spiritual pursuits. The northeast corner should not be used for toilets, bathrooms, or kitchens. These are considered to be unclean areas, and their presence in the northeast corner can lead to negative consequences for the residents. So if you have this kind of areas on your house, do have a look that in which corner your kitchen is, in which corner your toilets are, so that you can make a change of it, so that you can know from where that negative energy is coming into your room. And along with that, I will give you some trick and tips on this video so that you can make it happen. So the northeast corner should be higher than the other three corners of the house. This is said to help to channel the positive energy into the home. So let's talk about the remedies of it. So before we proceed, if you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe to this channel and do comment below, and along with that, do save the video so that you can comment here back later and tell me that if you're getting the positive energies in your life or not. So the first tip for you is plant a tree or shrubs in this corner to help to purify the air so that you can get all the positive air inside you. Number 2, place a water feature in this corner to help to create a sense of peace and tranquility. Number 3, hang a crystal or wind sheen in this corner to help to amplify the positive energy. Number 4, keep this corner free of any sharp objects or pointed edges. Regularly clean and purify this corner. So these are the 5 tips. So by following these steps, you can help to ensure that the northeast corner of your home is a source of positive energy and good fortune. So if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and leave a like so I can get the motivation to make such videos and help everyone with such facts about small changes of life.